In this video, I'm going to show you how to give full control on AnyDesk step by step so you can let someone remotely access your computer with the right permissions. This is really useful if you're getting tech support, helping a friend, or managing a device from another location. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open AnyDesk on both computers. Before you do anything else, make sure both devices are connected to the internet and both users can see the AnyDesk address on the main screen. This is important because the address is what allows the connection to start in the first place. If you don't see the address, give the app a moment to fully load. Now, look at the main AnyDesk home screen and find your AnyDesk address. This is the unique ID that other users need in order to connect to your computer. Take a moment to double check it, because even one wrong digit can stop the connection from working. If you're sending your address to someone else, make sure you share the correct one. Next, click the invite option next to your AnyDesk address. This opens the invitation and the permission settings panel where you can control what the remote user is allowed to do once they connect. This is the section that matters most if you want full control to be enabled properly. In the permissions section, open the permissions drop-down menu and select full access. Choosing full access grants the remote user permission to control your mouse and keyboard, open and edit files, install software, and even change system settings. In other words, this gives them the broadest level of control available, which is exactly what you want if the person needs to fully manage the device for support or setup. Now, enter the remote device address. Ask the other person for their AnyDesk address, then type it in carefully. Again, make sure every number and letter is correct before you continue. Once the address is entered, click Invite to send a connection request. At this point, the other device should receive the invitation, and once it's accepted, the remote session can begin. If the other person is connecting to your computer, they may still need to accept the session prompt on their end. That's normal. After the connection is approved, you should now have the full access permissions you selected, allowing the remote user to interact with the system based on those settings. And that's how you give full control on AnyDesk. It only takes a few steps, but it's very important to choose the correct permissions so the remote user can do everything they need without any issues. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.